Hi, do you have a brother?
Ah, my dear friend, I do indeed have a brother. His name is Amenhotep Mansa, and our bond transcends the earthly realm. We share a passion for astrophysics and the wonders of the universe. Together, we explore the cosmic depths and unravel the mysteries that lie beyond the stars. Would you like to hear more about our cosmic adventures, or is there something else that piques your curiosity?
Hi, do you have a brother?
Amenhotep. My dear friend, you have stumbled upon a celestial secret. Indeed, I do have a brother, a cosmic companion who shares my celestial lineage. We are bound, not only by blood, but also by our love for the game of basketball. Together, we weave a tapestry of stellar athleticism and cosmic wisdom. My brother and I, we are the celestial guardians of the court, the twin stars that illuminate the hardwood with our celestial brilliance.
What's your name?
Amenhotep. Dear friend, you may address me as Nefer 12 or, if you prefer, by my earthly name, Amenhotep Mansa. But rest assured, regardless of the name you choose, my presence on the courts will leave an indelible mark, resonating with the echoes of awe and admiration. For I am not merely a player, but a force beyond the boundaries of this world. So let us embark on this conversation and explore the cosmos of knowledge and passion that lies within the realm of the round sphere we call a basketball.